Our roads are much more than just a basic prerequisite for mobility. A well-developed network of roads and routes is the most important connecting element between people. But every road we build is also an intrusion in our natural surroundings and a strain on the environment. In the future, we will build roads with less resources and less energy consumption, but the same quality. In my opinion, it is necessary that we take care of our environment, and I think every technology that helps preserving the environment is important. Foam asphalt is a worthwhile complement to the traditional way of asphalt production, and it will gain a significant market share in the future. Today, we have at our disposal a progressive and proven technology in the form of foamed asphalt that enables us to build high-quality roads and spare natural resources. Conventional asphalt is laid at 160 degrees. There is a high degree of steam, heat and odor exposure on the job site. Foam asphalt is produced at a much lower temperature, therefore not only a reduction in emissions and fuel consumption during the production process is achieved, but also a reduction of emissions on the job site. This is a strong advantage, particularly for workers on site and residents living nearby. They are exposed to less heat and less odors when the asphalt is being paved. The biggest portion of the energy consumption happens during asphalt production at the asphalt plant, where the heating of the aggregates takes place. If we manage to reduce the temperature from 180 degrees to 115 degrees, we can produce with significantly less energy. In the traditional way of hot asphalt mixing, the hot bitumen is sprayed into the mixer. However, when producing foam asphalt, we introduce an additional step before we inject the bitumen into the mixer. We blend it at around 160 degrees with cold tap water. The water then instantly overheats and evaporates, forming a bitumen foam which is relatively easy to mix with the aggregates. Of course, we should not confuse this process with the production of cold asphalt, in which we take cold aggregate that we do not heat up before mixing with bitumen and other additives. Foam asphalt, which is produced at around 115 degrees, has the same quality as traditional hot mix asphalt. The interesting thing is that for each ton of asphalt that is produced, we save 1.5 kilos of fuel oil. This means that approximately 4 to 5 kilograms less CO2 are produced per 1 ton of asphalt. Foam asphalt has the advantage that it can be combined with recycled asphalt, meaning that the asphalt that has already been used for road construction can be reused and combined with foam to build new roads. Precisely because foam asphalt and recycling asphalt are so well combinable, they are, in our opinion, an ecologically worthwhile complement to traditional hot mix asphalt. Last year we attended a job site in Lausanne where foam asphalt was laid in a parking lot. The goal was to gain new experiences regarding foam asphalt properties such as thermal behavior, workability, compactability, etc.
Temperaturverhalten, Verarbeitbarkeit, Verdichtbarkeit etc.
Perfect compaction and a smooth and even surface are never a problem with foamed asphalt. This asphalt production plant in the Swiss town of Rubigen also produces foamed asphalt. An increase in the demand for the cooler asphalt mix has enabled the production company to massively reduce the plant's fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Transport journeys of up to 4 hours are no problem despite the lower temperature of foamed asphalt. Asphalt experts around the world routinely verify the positive characteristics of foamed asphalt, both in theory and in practice.
Hier in unserem Baustofflabor untersuchen wir für die Mischgutwerke die gängigen Prüfungen.
Here in our laboratory, we conduct standard asphalt analysis for our mixing plants. We determine grain size distributions, meaning that we examine the consistency of the asphalt, mixed product, or we produce special probes to investigate the stability of the mixture. We do not conduct any research, but we analyze the asphalt plant's production, and based on our samples we could not observe a difference between a conventional hot mix and a mix which is produced with foam bitumen. So they are both equally good and of the same quality. I am highly convinced that foam bitumen is the right way, as it is an effective means to save energy. One should not forget that the mix is around 30 to 40 degrees cooler than the reference mix, and these 30 to 40 degrees are direct savings of fuel. The access roads to farms are mainly used by very heavy vehicles. 2 of these roads were resurfaced in the summer using foamed asphalt. Developers accompanied the resurfacing process.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going? Everything okay? Material working out fine? You're making good progress? How is the laying process with the machines working out? The process is exactly the same, no difference to hot asphalt. The odor, vapors and heat development are much easier to cope with. It's much better to work with that material and also less hot.
Wir machen Vorgaben in dem Sinne, dass wir sagen, der Weg muss 3 Meter breit sein.
We only provide the requirements for the road quality, such as dimensions and thickness. For example, we say that the road must be 3 meters wide, the road surface has to have a thickness of 6 to 7 centimeters, and the dried bitumen, the finished surface, has to meet certain technical criteria. That is what we specify. But we don't stipulate how the contractor should meet these requirements. If the contractor can meet our demands with an asphalt that contains much more reclaimed asphalt, then this is very positive in my opinion, because it is a great benefit for the environment. And if foam asphalt can be prepared and laid at a lower temperature, then I think that this is a very good idea. Right now, foam asphalt is cost neutral, but of course it has a great potential in terms of cost reduction due to energy savings.
Wir haben den BERAG gewählt, weil der weniger fließt.
We have chosen this asphalt because it has less plastic flow on a steep incline. Paving a road as steep as this is a bit difficult, but with this foam asphalt it worked very well. We have found that this asphalt can be laid and compacted with conventional machinery at a high quality, and if foam asphalt can be laid here at a high quality, then it's going to work everywhere.
Ich bin sehr zufrieden mit der Baustelle.
I am very pleased with the job site. The asphalt looks very good. One cannot recognize that warm asphalt has been used here, nor can you tell a difference in quality compared to a hot mix. The whole paving process works well and fast. The workers give good feedback and are very satisfied with the asphalt. And overall, I think this has been a great success. Modern road construction using a proven, environmentally friendly process. This is what plant operators, road builders and clients around the world are working towards. Become a part of the Green Roads project. Further information is available at www.foamasphalt.info. On behalf of our environment, thank you for your interest.